Hello everyone, today we're going to go over how to block the boxing overhand punch used in Wing Chun / JKD. So we use a move that's called Buu Sao or darting fingers, which looks like this, okay? Now you got to be very precise about how to do this because a lot of people try to do something similar and it always goes over the top. So if I do it improperly, that's going to happen. So the key here to make it successful is you want your fingers to point out and you're going to go up and forward like this, not like this, but like this. Reach for the sky, as I said. So if you go overhand, so better one, faster. See? He will miss every time. Also have this here just in case. Do one more. See? It's all about the fingers and then going up. So reach for the sky for it. And that's how you block the boxing overhand using Wing Chun / JKD. Thank you.